Hey guys, it's Kate from Sew Craft Cook. Have you ever wondered how to make threading elastic super easy? Well, today I'm going to show you how using this handy little tool called a bodkin. This is a bodkin. It's used for threading elastic. Take the ring and pull it down to the base to release the tweezers. Take the tweezer end and grip it onto your elastic. To hold it securely, push back the ring, which closes the tweezers. Use a safety pin to attach your elastic to your garment or your bag or whatever you're making before you thread your elastic through the casing. Take the bodkin with the round edge and poke that through the casing and run it along. So pushing, pull the fabric back along it and then pull the elastic through. So much easier than using a safety pin, which is too tiny and actually gets lost in there. And it's got a great grip on the elastic. Once you've got all the way around, bring it out and simply pull down the ring to release the tweezers again. And there's your elastic. Undo your safety pin and then you can sew your elastic together to fit it into the casing. Thanks for joining me learning how to use a bodkin. Now you need to go grab yourself one of these handy little gadgets.